Hi guys, it's cold in Jacksonville, Florida. It's 40 degrees. Oh, I have to double my jacket this morning. I need to warm up. It's cold, guys. 40 degrees. I thought it's already summer. Last week, 2 weeks ago, we had 80 degrees.
Last week it was 80 degrees.
Yes, we had 80 degrees last week, guys, and this morning it's 40 degrees outside. I know I'm whining, but that's a good weather for the rest of the places that have snow. You know, I'm still lucky I have 40 degrees here in my area in Jacksonville. But for me, I had to wear 2 jackets, guys, because you know I live in Florida and I'm a Filipina. I'm not used to cold weather, so I had to wear another jacket today. Not only this one, it's too cool for me. This one. See, I already wear my jeans and my shoes ready for this cold weather. This is the low today was 35 degrees this morning and the high is 51 degrees, guys. Cannot do any yard work anymore because it's cold. I could not plant vegetables. Yeah, no vegetables. I hope my plants will not die on me, Daddy. The plants,
They're not going to die.
they're not gonna die.
It didn't get below freezing.
Yeah, I replanted the canna lilies and we propagated plumeria, guys. I'm worried about them, but my husband's they're okay. But I'm gonna do warm up first before I go outside and start driving.